I have my own nonprofit called Oaks Restorative Ranch, and I am a decently young founder, and I've never done this before. And so I chose this program as a way to get more experience and also to be able to talk to people who are in this field and have already done this. There are so many benefits to this program. I don't even think I can put an exact number on the skills that I've learned. It's been amazing to be able to talk to people who have done this before, and it's been amazing to be able to actually practice and do actual things for my actual program. The assignments have all been really hands-on. It's been really good. Dr. Lynn's class, where we worked on actually making tangible plans, helped a lot. Our organization started doing volunteer days in the community because of that, because he had us do like a 90-day plan and stuff. It was very practical, very hands-on, and I loved it. Affordability is a huge thing for specifically the Master's of Nonprofit Leadership and Management class. That's probably the reason I could do it. They make it really accessible. It's an online class and it's very flexible to your schedule, which is really nice. So for me, I could go and I could work my 2 jobs and lead my nonprofit and then come back and do my schooling, and it was decently balanced. There are a couple semesters where you're gonna be like treading water, but for the most part, you're gonna be chilling. Be kind to yourself, you're gonna do okay. It's gonna be great. The online aspect was really cool. I personally am dyslexic, and so everything was available in audio, everything had captions. I could speed it up or slow it down. In terms of accessibility, it was really good. All of my professors were really accessible too, and I could like reach out to them and be like, hey, I have no idea what I'm doing here, and they would help, which is really nice. I'm currently already in my nonprofit, so this has just given me the tools I need to kind of continue moving forward and for it to be more sustainable for us. So every single part of this program has helped in like every aspect of my nonprofit, which has been really, really cool. So I feel very well equipped for what's next.